Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another DB2 SQL function which is cosine hyperbolic of cosine, or you can say COSH. This function is mainly used in order to calculate the hyperbolic of cosine. So whenever you want to calculate the hyperbolic of cosine, you can simply use this COSH function. Now I will firstly show you the program where I'm using this COSH function in SQLRPGLE program, and then later we will see the query. So in program, what we are doing, we have firstly created one constant variable which is SQL state underscore valid with 5 times zeros. This constant we are going to use to verify the query whether it is executed properly or not. Then we have one variable result1 of zone decimal. This variable we will use to store the output which is written by the query. Now below to this I am setting the commitment control commit equals to star none, and here we are using the main query. So in main query what I'm doing, I'm selecting the cost of h for 3. So it will calculate the hyperbolic of cosine for 3, and then it will store the radians output in terms of radian into this host variable result1, and this data is coming from sysibm.systeme1. Okay, so this is how it works. Now we are checking for the SQL state. If SQL state is SQL state underscore valid, then it will display the result, else it will display the SQL state along with an error message, and end if NLR on. So let's quickly compile this program and see the output. So you can see it is printing 10, which is hyperbolic of cosine of 3. Now same thing, if you would like to run over the query, you can use the same format. Select cos h of 90. Here I just change the value as here we are not using host variable, we are using alias name. It is optional, like if you don't want to use alias name, then you can skip it, but I just keep this so that it will show the heading for this value, which would come as cos value radians from sysibm.systeme1. Other things are same. So just hit enter, you can see it prints the value 6.102016 something. Okay, so this is how COSH value works, and if you remove this alias name, then it will print the value and the heading would be cos 90 itself. Okay, so yeah, these are the some ways through which we can utilize the COSH or hyperbolic of COSH function, hyperbolic of cosine function. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Sharmit.